Taking my daughter's bed from this to this using my Cricut Joy Xtra machine. Not gonna lie, this took me a little bit longer than I anticipated, but it was the figuring out of how to use the Cricut Joy Xtra machine and just all the nitty gritty little details that I wanted to make sure were perfect before I stuck them onto my daughter's bed. I chose dinosaurs for Riley's bed as she absolutely loves dinosaurs. And there are so many different pictures and fonts to choose from, so I was definitely not short for options. And then for Everly, I chose mermaids and unicorns, which she also absolutely loves. You can choose from so many different pictures and designs and fonts using the Cricut design space and send it straight to your Cricut machine to be cut. I did have to fiddle with the sizing a little bit just to make sure I had enough material for all the different designs that I was wanting to create for both of my girls' beds. Once everything was all cut out, I needed to take off the extra material, so I was just left with their names and the little pictures that I wanted to put on their beds. Next, I needed to get some transfer tape so I could put the transfer tape onto the material that I was using and transfer it from the sticker onto the girls' beds. You can also use the transfer tape over and over, so I used the same one piece for all of my girls' different pictures and names. This part here took longer than actually cutting out the material and designing it, but it was definitely the most fun. This was my first go using the Cricut, and I was pretty impressed with how I managed to do it. It did take me quite a long time, but it was so worth it.